everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to just stop background apps running on your Android phone. So the first way to just go to this and close everything down is by hitting the switcher button, or you can just swipe up and you can see all these different apps open now. What you want to do is just go to close all. So this should close your apps, and a lot of times these apps restart, which is annoying, so we can just go up to settings. And there's another option that we can close everything down. If we go to device care, and then we go to memory right here. Just hit clean now when this pops up. And then you should be able to see everything under here once you clean all the apps. I have this option called RAM Plus, which is nice. I can increase the amount of RAM on my device. But let's back out now since we closed everything down. And we want to go on down to About Phone. Now we are looking for an option called Build Number in here. Now, on Samsung, it's under software information. Just tap build number 5 times and unlock developer options. Now we can go into developer options. It's under About Phone here. On your Motorola or Google Pixel, it will be under system. So let's go to developer option now. Scroll on down. And we don't have to scroll on down far. We want to go to running services. And then we can manually shut down background apps right here. Like AVG, I don't know why that's running. We can just stop it. Now, if apps keep opening up, we can just go to the top and go to background. Type in background. And then scroll on down. And you'll see the option for developer options under here. Background process limit. Let's go to that. And we'll go to developer options and scroll all the way down to it. Otherwise, it'd be difficult to find it. And then we can go from standard limit to no background processes right there. And that should end most of your apps restarting in the background. And there's one other thing that we can check too if we don't want our data usage in the background. If we just go to apps and then just click on an app. Whatever app is probably using the most data. And then go to where it says mobile data. And we have this option right there, allow background data usage. We could just turn this off completely. And then whatever app is using the data won't be able to use it anymore. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.